NetSuite ERP pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think NetSuite is just another accounting software. The surprising truth is, NetSuite is a full enterprise resource planning platform that combines finance, e-commerce, inventory, and human capital management into a single cloud-based system. NetSuite pricing is customized based on the number of users, modules, and the size of your organization. Unlike flat-rate software, NetSuite offers flexible subscription plans tailored to your business needs. Costs typically include a base license fee plus a per-user monthly fee. Additional modules for inventory management, manufacturing, or e-commerce may increase pricing. While it's an investment, the comprehensive functionality often offsets the cost by streamlining operations and reducing manual work. One key benefit is automation. NetSuite allows businesses to automate financial processes, procurement, and order management. For example, a mid-sized manufacturer can track inventory in real time, automatically generate purchase orders, and sync sales data across multiple departments. This reduces errors, improves efficiency, and provides actionable insights. NetSuite also offers real-time dashboards and analytics. Decision makers can monitor KPIs, forecast revenue, and analyze operational performance all in one place. Integration with third-party apps, global compliance features, and multi-currency support make it ideal for growing international businesses. In conclusion, NetSuite ERP pricing reflects the platform's enterprise-grade capabilities. While it may cost more upfront than smaller accounting solutions, the ROI comes from streamlined workflows, enhanced visibility, and scalable growth. Investing in NetSuite ERP means centralizing your business operations, improving efficiency, and making data-driven decisions that propel your company forward.